Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia from Delia's Place. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Now if you are here on this video, it is because you want to know exactly how to ship from overseas to Jamaica. This video will basically give you that information and also which companies are the best ones to use and the ones that you just should use because they're basically scammers. I have two other videos that about shipping to Jamaica from overseas. If you have not watched those, I will link them down below. In those two videos, I spoke about a particular company that I used, which is Deliver My Package. I have always advocated for this company, and a lot of people have also contacted me on Instagram through DM to find out exactly how to ship and what to do and to ask me questions. Sorry guys, my battery actually died. But as I was saying, I advocated for Deliver My Package. I've always recommended Deliver My Package. There are many people who use Deliver My Package because they have watched my videos. There are a lot of people that I have spoken to. I have recommended Deliver My Package. I have people in my WhatsApp that are there because I have helped them to find the best option for whatever they're doing. If they're starting a business or they're doing a one-time shipping or whatever, there's a lot of people I recommended. I will be honest, it's not all the time that I have recommended Deliver My Package because sometimes Deliver My Package would not have been the best option for that person, so I would have to recommend somewhere else. However, but Deliver My Package has always been my choice of shipping until let's start from the beginning. I had a couple of packages there because sometimes I'm gonna be real, sometimes the money not quite there and you don't budget out for everything, so you end up putting things as priority ahead of collecting your packages. So that is what happened to me. So I had packages at Deliver My Package for quite a little while. So when I finally had the money, on April 26th to be exact, when I finally had the money on that date, I called and I said, so hey, how much is my package and whatever. They told me, and Jamaican all over, you beg a little discount, so I got $1,000 off, right? So yeah, I went on to my Scotia app and I made the payment. I got the confirmation, which I'll put up right now. I got the confirmation and I called them back and I said, hey, I made the payment to $1,500. When will I receive my package? They said they will go ahead and send it off. Fine. I didn't pick it up on that day. That was April 26th, was a Friday. I didn't pick it up. On a Saturday now, I went to pick up my packages. I had something in there for my son, which came and it was okay. And then I have a subscription with Ipsy. What Ipsy is like a subscription box, but what they send you are actually samples. So they send you 5 samples each month. So they come in this pink packaging. I didn't do an unboxing, of course, because my packages were there for a little while, so therefore I would be like out of the loop to do the unboxing and something. And y'all know how I stay with YouTube already. I hardly upload and I'm lazy. But anyway, on opening my packages, I realized that one of them was quite light, and I said to my son that this package feel empty, man, like nothing in it. Anyway, I opened it. When I opened the package, the only thing that was in the package was this brush. Only this one was in the package. So I said, wait. So I went on to the Ipsy service and I checked to see if I really want brush, them are going to send me for the same money. When I went on there, I realized that no, they had sent me the 5 items. I replaced the 5 items that I should have received right here. Okay, so I opened another package. I got 4 items. I went back onto Ipsy and I realized that I should have received 5 items. The other package was fine. The Ipsy packages come They come in the packaging, and then inside the package is a pouch. The one that only came with this brush, the brush was just in the package, just so by itself. So obviously somebody went in there and took out what I want, right? So I called and I said, listen, you have thief up there, because I expect my packages to have 5 items each, and some of them come with 1 and one of them come with 4, but the other one was okay. And I said, listen, since it's just a subscription package and it is not all that expensive, here what I will do. I will just, the next package is going to come, you just send it to me and I will not pay the shipping for that. I even said to Kamar, who is the manager or the owner or whatever, I said, the only reason I'm not going to air this out is because it has never happened before, and because you always give me good customer service. I said this is not right, and he agreed and everything. Anyway, the Sunday now, which is the 26th, 27th, 28th, which will be 28th of April. I went to the country, looked for my grandmother, had a lot of fun and whatever. We left there when night was about to come down, and I noticed that deliver my package was calling. So I answered the phone because I was taken aback. So this is Sunday evening at that. Why are you calling me on a Sunday? What kind of business is this? So anyway, I answered. He said that the payment that I made did not go through. I said, really? But I got the confirmation that it went through on my side. So I will contact you when I get down and send you the confirmation number, the confirmation email that I got. Anyway, I came back to Mobile. I didn't remember nothing about it, to be honest. I had a busy week. I didn't remember. Now, if you know me and you're somebody who sends me messages regularly, you know that if you send me a WhatsApp message, I most likely will respond to you. But if you send me a regular message, that is not going to get read, because I don't check regular messages, because nobody of significance, it's just Digicel alone really texts me on. And so I don't really it does not even make a sound when my phone, when messages coming from there, because I don't need that, right? But I happened to go into the messages because I was expecting a message from my supervisor to tell me where I should work for the next week. When I went in there was no message from my supervisor, but there was a message from Deliver My Package. They go from 0 to 100, like that. You know, just like that, 0 to 100. I'm going to read the messages to you. Alright, this was sent Monday, April 29 at 6:28 a.m. Good morning, 6:28 a.m. Good morning, Miss Hudson. Please remember to send the receipt or the reference number. We are not seeing the payment. Of course, I didn't see this message. Tuesday, April 30 at 9:46 a.m. Miss Hudson, we really expected better from you, being that you were not charged storage and we gave you undeserved discounts. If we do not see the payment by the end of the day, we'll be escalating the matter. Thank you. At May 1st, 7:19 a.m. Miss Hudson will be contacting the police today if the funds are not transferred by 12 p.m. today. That same day, Miss Hudson, before we contact the police, we are just letting you know we will be giving them permission to go through your file. Fine. Go through my file. Me not smuggle drugs. So fine, whatever. We do realize that you're on YouTube. So we'll also be contacting your boyfriend. If we cannot find you, we have all your information on YouTube. You can go and look to see what kind of information they have on YouTube about me. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are disgraceful. Like, you have my phone number and you can text me. However, you couldn't call me. Wouldn't it have been better if you had called me? It's not like it's WhatsApp where you see that I blue tick you. So you're sure send me the message. And even if I blue tick it, that doesn't necessarily mean that I read the message. I could have opened it and something happened and I didn't read it. So from 0 to 100, just like that, and you're being abusive in my messages. So of course no, me get vexed and everything, and went ahead and I looked for the screenshot. I found the screenshot. I called my bank, and my bank went back into their system and they saw the payment. So of course I call now because me upset now. So me call him now. Me tear into the man when he come around. But I swear, I was upset because it's not like I was it was the first time I'm shipping with you or something like that. I have been shipping with you. So therefore, you should have provided me with better customer service, considering that you know that I'm on YouTube. You have seen my videos. You know that I advocate for you. You should have treated me. So if you deal with me, so imagine how you've been dealing with other people that I've been sending there. So I am saying this to you, my subscribers, and you, my viewers. Do not send anything through Deliver My Package, because in my mind they are nothing but scammers, because them open my package and steal. I don't see that happening at SSMC. I do not see that happening at Mailpack. I don't see that happening nowhere else. Or Ship Me. I don't see that happening nowhere else. So do not, if you're in the Montego Bay area, use Mailpack or SSMC. If you're in Kingston, you can use Ship Me, and they have various others that you can look up. If you want, I can do another video on the ones that are in your area. People, do not use Deliver My Package. They are thieves and scammers. You cannot tell me that I have a good reference number and I send you that reference number and you're still going to contact me to tell me that you have not seen my payments. Did you contact your bank? Of course not. I sent them the reference number in the evening when the bank would have already closed. So for you to text me at 8 o'clock at night and say, but you're not seeing the payment, you never contact the bank. Now come try to tell me, say, I will see you in court. Yes, Mr. Kamar, I will see you in court. But for now, I am telling all my subscribers, do not, and I repeat, guys, do not use Deliver My Package. You are going to lose your items, or they are going to thief your money. I have also got complaints that they do not answer their phones. They're not reliable anymore. They used to be reliable, and people who I've recommended to them have actually contacted me to say, hey, I'm not getting them. Can you call them for me? How comes I'm calling them? You have another number for them, which number you use, because them not answer the phone. And you know that happened to me when I was trying to call them. I'm about to send the reference number. The phone went straight to voicemail. There's a party shop you're running. The manager's name is Kamar. He's very rude. His staff are thieves. Point blank, they are thieves. Okay? His customer service, if you have an issue with him, is zero. It's zilch. Do not use Deliver My Package. Yes, I used to use Deliver My Package, and I was advocating for them because I didn't have a problem. But now I have a problem. I think because I introduced Deliver My Package to you, I should be the one to come and say, nobody use them. I mean, change my mind. I have switched. I'm in Montego Bay, so I use Mailpack and I use SSMC. Whichever one you choose to use, fine. Those companies I have not had a problem. And rest assured that if I ever have problems with those companies, I will come on here and I will let you guys know. Anyway, guys, this is where I'm going to leave this video. It is just my rant about being scammed, being robbed by Deliver My Package, and I'm hoping that somebody will see this video and it will change your mind from using them and using a more professional company that's going to get your package to you in one piece, and you're going to get everything that you ordered. Until next time, guys.